Hello everyone and my respected teacher. Myself Mayank Shah. I study in class 30. Today I am going to present the topic rounding of the whole number nearest 10 and 100. Let's learn this concept with simple rounding rhyme. 5 to 9, climb the vine. 0 to 4, slide to the floor. Let's see some example of the nearest 10. Round 978 number to the nearest 10. Circle the number in the tens place. Which number is in the tens place? It is 7. Look right next door of 7. That is 8. Remember poem. 5 to 9. Climb the vine. 8 is in between 5 to 9, so add 1 more to 7. Add 1 to the 7 and all the numbers to the right of the 7 become 0. The answer 978 rounded to the nearest 10 is 980. Let's take another example. Round 963 number to nearest 10. Circle the number in the tens place. Which number is in the tens place? It is 6. Look right next door of 6. That is 3. Remember poem. 0 to 4, slide to the floor. 3 is less than 5, so do not change 6. Change the numbers to right of 6 to 0. The answer 963 rounded to the nearest 10 is 960. So, this is the way of rounding of the nearest 10. Now, let's take some example of rounding of the nearest 100. Round 327 number to the nearest 100. Circle the number in the hundreds place. Which number is in the 100 place? It is 3. Look right next door of 3. That is 2. Remember the poem. 0 to 4, slide to the floor. 2 is less than 5, so do not change 3. Change the numbers to right of 3 to 0. The answer 327 rounded to the nearest 100 is 300. Let's take another example. Round 367 number to nearest 100. Circle the number in the 100 place. Which number is in the 100 place? It is 3. Look right next door of 3. That is 6. Remember poem. 5 to 9, climb the vine. 6 is in between 5 to 9, so add 1 more to 3. Add 1 to the 3 and all the numbers to the right of the 3 become zeros. The answer 367 rounded to the nearest 100 is 400. In this way, we can round up the number nearest 10 and 100. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a great day.